Hey guys, I am excited about today's video, but before we get into it, let's talk about today's lip combo of choice. So for a lip liner today, I have on the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner in Chai. It's very mauve pink and I really like it. I don't really too much like too many lip liners that are like pinkish, but the muted mauve, it works. And then I have the MAC lipstick. So this is the MAC lipstick in the shade Whirl. So it's my lip combo if you like it. So with that being said, let's get into today's video, you guys. So I am on a fragrance roll. I did a recent little small review on the Kayali pistachio or yum pistachio gelato, whatever it's called. I can't even get it out. I can't even get it out. I don't know why. But I did a review on that perfume and you guys, it smells freaking amazing. So I thought, why not review some other mists that I have, or fragrances, whatever you want to call them. They are mists, but you know, whatever. So I had showed you guys in I think other Sephora hauls or Sephora videos that I purchased these two lovely products. These are by the brand Sol de Janeiro and I am in love. My only gripe about these fragrances is that they're not long lasting, but with the perfect combination, girl, it don't even matter. The perfect combination, you'll smell it throughout the entire day, I feel like. So because I have chatted about these two already before, I'm just going to briefly talk about them, you know, because we have another star of the show. So for this one, it is the Brazilian Crush Cheirosa 62 Pistachio and Salted Caramel. You guys, this mist smells so freaking good, and I knew it was gonna smell good because it smells just like the Bum Bum Cream. So if you've used the Bum Bum Cream, you know what it smells like. It smells lovely. Paired with the Bum Bum Cream, I feel like the scent does stretch a little bit longer. But what I found is because this is a pistachio scent, this pairs perfectly with the Kayali pistachio gelato fragrance. So I usually spray the pistachio gelato by Kayali, spray, and then I'll hit a couple twirls within this baby, the mist, and I'll be smelling good, okay? I smell so good. So yes, you guys, I love this. And then I have scent number 40. This is the Black Amber Plum and Vanilla Woods. I personally don't even know how to explain this scent, but if you want to smell sweet and like vanilla, I also pair this with another Kayali scent, okay? Vanilla 28 by Kayali, and this, perfection. You're gonna smell like vanilla all day and a hint of plum, okay? Smells so freaking good. I absolutely adore the scent. So I do use this scent with a scented lotion as well, paired with that EOS lotion, the one that like went freaking viral on TikTok. It smells so lovely because that also has some vanilla and cashmere in it as well. So you guys, this and that lotion with the Kayali perfume, you're gonna be smelling real good, okay? So now that I got those two Sol de Janeiro mists out of the way that I already own, let's talk about some new ones. Well, I decided to purchase 3 more of the fragrances because they have a summer mist collection. You guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. One of them was real hard to get my hands onto, and it really irked me because it's like, I wanted it, why y'all want it too? It just kept selling out, and it's probably sold out right now. But before I get to that one, I'm gonna save it for last. I'm gonna save it for last. Let's chat about the orange one. Okay, so this Sol de Janeiro fragrance is called Bikini Season. It says Sunlit Orchid and Guava Nectar. Oh my goodness. Guava Nectar? That just sounds like, it sounds juicy. Like, I feel like it sounds so juicy. So I'm gonna go on my Sephora app and read you more about the Bikini Season fragrance. So this is supposed to be warm and spicy. It's a fresh scent and it's a layerable, which we love because I love to pair. Okay, I love a good pair. But it says that it is a tropical, fruity, gourmand fragrance with succulent notes of guava nectar, sunlit orchid, and coconut water. So I can definitely see why this is like a summer collection. And then just a little bit about the fragrance. It says it's Bikini Season somewhere. Tropical and juicy, this fruity gourmand fragrance captures the feeling of poolside cocktails at your service. Spritz your way to summer with this limited edition perfume. I didn't know it was limited edition. That's gonna really suck if I love this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a smell just because I haven't smelled. Ooh, I didn't even spray it and I can just like, oh, it smells so good. Oh, I don't know. I'm just kind of like taken off guard a little bit because I wasn't expecting to smell it like that, because usually I feel like you got to give like a little, you know, a little spray, but she smells good, you guys. We're already starting off strong and I don't know how we're gonna top this. So let's move on to the next one. Next up, we have Win in Rio. She's cute and she's pink. This is wild bergamot and vanilla amber. Ooh, there's that vanilla amber. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because, girl, we love vanilla. And it's crazy, I grew up thinking that I didn't even like vanilla scents. Insane. So let's go to the Sephora app and see what we're talking about. So this is another warm and spicy scent, but it's in the family of florals. It says a warm amber perfume mist that flirts with daring notes of wild bergamot, luscious pear, and twilight jasmine. So by the description, it's giving Kayali Vanilla 28. Let's see about that. It says anything can happen when in Rio. Sparkling and seductive, this warm amber floral fragrance comes alive like the energy of a bright, hot night. Spritz your way to summer with this limited edition perfume. All right, so I'm about to open up the top and I'm wondering if it's gonna like hit me in the face, kind of like the last one, but we shall see. So this one does not hit you in the face directly when you open it. So I'm gonna have to give it a spray. Let's go ahead. Whew. That smells really good. Definitely giving Kayali 28. It smells really good. I can smell the vanilla, but I will say this. So far, this one actually has my attention more than this one, and that could just be because I've smelled something similar like this before. Maybe that's what it is. If you guys have these two scents, which one do y'all like? So last but not least, this main one gave me the most problems trying to get a hold of this fragrance. So it better be good. No, seriously, it better be good because I had to put on the notifications for this one as well. So I want to know. Last but not least, of the Sol de Janeiro Summer Mist Collection, I have Do Not Disturb, you guys. It says that this is a mimosa flower and nude musk. I have no idea what that means. So we're just gonna read about it on the app. Another warm and spicy scent. It says obviously the keynotes are mimosa flower, nude musk, and sun-washed linen. So it says that this floral musk fragrance allows you to unwind with sheer notes of mimosa flower, nude musk, and warm sand. Set yourself on Do Not Disturb. Soft and airy, this floral musk fragrance takes it easy like hotel mornings or afternoons. Spritz your way to summer with this limited edition perfume mist. So I'm thinking this just gives off vacation vibes. So I'm really nervous, but for the last one that it took me forever to get my hands on. She smells good, you guys. Let me spray her, okay? I have to be sure. I have got to be sure. You guys, she smells so good. It just reminds me of like clean, but like smell good clean, not like cleaning products. Like you walk into a clean house, a clean hotel, I'm on vacation. That's what this is giving. And you know what else? I have perfumes that I think would go really well with this. I can't remember the names of the perfumes exactly or the brand, but I have this one called Bubble Bath that it might go well with. The sea salt one, I can't remember that one either. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to pull them up because now I feel like I have this whole concept in my head for layering this mist. So yeah, I forgot I purchased the Ellis Brooklyn salt perfume. I feel like that would go really well with this. And then there was another one. The Replica brand has a lot of like fresh scents as well. I have Bubble Bath and I also have Lazy Sunday. I feel like those would pair really well with this mist, you guys. I'm so happy that I love all three of them. I absolutely adore all three of them. And yes, I'm gonna be wearing them. I just don't know when. I just don't know when, but I'm really excited to use these, you guys. Like I said, it took me, I feel like it was a blood, sweat, and tears type of thing. Like it took me freaking forever to get my hands on all three of these. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys really like the fragrance content because I'm enjoying it myself. I'm enjoying finding like scents that I love. I love when people tell me that I smell good. I feel like that's like one of the best compliments, aside from like when people compliment your soul. But like smell good, yes. So you guys, with that being said, I'm gonna head on out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.